Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or to solve your Google Classroom app. To know how to find a solution about Google Classroom, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to the window of Google Classroom. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. Here we go to click Play Store, and in this page, if you'll find updates in this blue sign, you can click to update your app, or you can go to uninstall your app and you can install it again in the end. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.